Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Hazeeq, and today we are going to be taking a look at our favorite projects that we're following on this channel. And I'm going to be giving you all the targets that we're looking at by the end of this bull market. And most of them are going to be pretty conservative because I always say you should stay conservative. Don't have high expectations because most likely, the prices aren't going to go as far as you expect them to go. And obviously, I'm not saying that these prices are going to be met. This is all speculation based on the Fib retracement, based on technical analysis. So yeah, just keep that in mind. I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. So what I've done is I placed the Fib bull, uh, from the bullish cross on the daily chart all the way up to the top swing high that we have over here. And you can see that we held the 0.236 on the Fib. This is Cosmos Atom. I'm going to go through several projects that we are targeting on the channel. So bear with me and let's get through this. Okay, starting with Cosmos Atom, we topped out over here at $32.31. And we, obviously had that drop off with Bitcoin. We held the 0.236 as nice support, and now we're starting to come back up. The 618 on the Fib, $21.05, is the most important level on the Fib retracement, so keep that in mind. If we start getting through it, then yeah, we're pretty much set for new all-time highs if Bitcoin, holds key levels of support and doesn't break down. And yeah, but if, something is possible that we, come back up, get rejected off the 0.5, break down and have that bear market and enter that bear market that the bears want us to go. And this bear market hopium is going to, leave a lot of people behind, and they're going to be jumping in when Bitcoin's at $75,000 pretty much. But obviously, no one can predict the future. So God knows what is in front of us, but hopefully these targets are going to be met because these are pretty conservative targets, and with enough FOMO and with nice fundamentals that these projects have that we're targeting, we're most likely going to get to those targets. And obviously we can even get overextended to the 2.414 and the 2.72, obviously, but we're looking at the second Fib level over here at the top. So Atom, we're targeting $60.62. So that is our target. That is when I'm going to be start to take profits on Cosmos Atom. Obviously, I would like to see it appreciate all the way to $200, but I have to stay realistic. There is a possibility that that happens, but I want to stay realistic, and I want to, keep the profits and have the profits basically. I just don't want to ride it all the way down with the bear market. So that's what I'm going to try to do on this channel, is help you take profits before the bear market, and then, give you the bear market bottoms, obviously. That is for Cosmos Atom. Jumping into Avalanche, this project has appreciated massively as well, as you can see. And from this bottom that I gave you over here, all the way to where we're at right now, that is pretty much 136% profit. So that's a nice trade if you took that. And, we still have a lot of room to go for Avalanche. If you want to sell off at the 618, that is, see how much that would be. That's pretty much 320% pretty much of profit. Yeah, crazy gains. So taking a look at Avalanche, we do have a target of $121.5. So that is our target at the second Fib level. Just like with Cosmos, I took the bottom, swing low to the swing high, and we need to break the 618 for confirmation, obviously. So yeah, AVAX, $121.5. Moving to Orion Protocol, one of our favorite, if not the most favorite project on this channel. So we do have a target at $57, and I know a bit conservative. You might say, wow, that is so low, but I don't want to, have that euphoria hopium that, selling Orion at $1,000. Obviously, it can't appreciate that much. We saw that with BNB in the first phase of the bull market, but not all projects are going to appreciate that way. The lower the market cap is, obviously there is more potential for that incredible growth, but $57 is good to take some profits because we are going to enter the bear market eventually. So that's it for Orion Protocol. If we go to SparkPoint over here, so we were in this bear pennant, but we have started to break out of it, and we are retesting it as support on the daily chart, which is incredibly bullish. So potentially entering here at 0.0051 is golden, basically. Just a bit of TA for you over there. And if we take a look at SparkPoint, 0.047 cents is what you're looking at on the second fib level. Obviously swing low to swing high. We peaked out over here at 2.5 cents pretty much, and now we have had this corrective wave, and now we're forming a reversal wave to the upside. So hopefully we can see that appreciation. If we take it from here and measure the profit, that would be 774%. That is good enough for me, believe me. DSLA Protocol next up. Okay, so we have peaked out at, let's see how much is that. 0.02097 cents. Oh, I do apologize. 0.026 cents. That was our peak. We bottomed out over here. And we're looking at a 0.049 cents per DSLA token. And obviously, these are lower cap gems that we consider on this channel. So potentially you can see the overextension to the 2.414 and even higher on the fib. SparkPoint has a listing on Binance, hopefully by the end of the year. So it can see, you can have these massive candles to the upside, but you want to take profits at some point, obviously, because you should take profits because you're investing to make profits. Obviously, you don't have to hold for 7 years. Obviously, you can hold long term. Obviously, if that is your goal and you're taking long term, that's great. But if you're looking to take profits before the bear market, I would suggest start taking profits at this level. Moving up, Multivac, one of our favorite projects on the channel as well. So we have peaked out over here at 0.0186 cents. And we're looking at appreciation of, let's see, from this bottom over here, essentially, that would be 1,866%. If we take it from where we're at currently, that is 547%. Wow, massive gains, guys, massive gains, 0.0370 cents. That is what we're looking at for Multivac. If we go to Polkadex, which is our next project, Polkadex seems always to be zoomed out. I don't know why this happens. It is a bit frustrating. I do apologize. This will take a couple of seconds. I don't know why that always happens with Polkadex. It gets zoomed in. Okay, so as you can see, we had that parabolic candle all the way to $10,000. We're not going to consider that. We have peaked out over here at pretty much $38.85. So this is something that I bought on my trading series, and I'm looking for the $20 price target, for the $30 price target, and for the $40 price target. That's where I'm going to be selling. Those are the primary targets, and we do have this $75 appreciation over here, this target over here. And obviously we can even get even higher than that, but this would be something where I would consider a nice place to start taking profits, because they do have the mainnet in September. So that's going to bring a lot of nice profits to people who were holding it and dollar cost averaging into it. Next up, Polygonmatic. Okay, so we have peaked out at $2.71, and we're looking at an appreciation from where we're at right now, and that would be 280% pretty much. The target is $5.35. Like I said, all these targets aren't supposed to meet or aren't supposed to be met just because I said that they are going to be met. I'm not guaranteeing anything. I'm just giving you some perspective and some potential plays that we might get. Moving to Solana, and wow, look at this, guys. Look at this. Solana is already breaking the previous high and moving to the 1.272 at $73.97. This is massive. Solana is doing great. Everyone who has been dollar cost averaging into it is it's incredible pretty much. And from this bottom over here, 250% of appreciation, guys. We dropped all the way to $19. That's incredible. So our target is $115, but as you can see, it can reach there in a couple of weeks. It can get there very soon, but it's getting a bit overextended, so do expect some sort of a support level. Potentially, we can come back to the 786 on the fib. That is $46.62, or we can hold this high as support at $58.66. But we're getting a pullback either way, guys. So potentially you could have taken your profits right now, and you'd still be good. But still, it can even keep on going higher and higher and not correcting. But that's not something that usually happens, as you all are aware. So yeah, that's pretty much all the projects that I wanted to take a look at with you guys. And do let me know if I missed out on any. And do let me know if you want me to give you another take a look at other projects and give you the targets from them. But you can do this yourself. Obviously, you can just draw the fib from the swing low to the swing high, have the fib levels. I'm just going to show you the fib levels that I have set up over here. So I do use the 786, 1.618, 1.272, 2.72, and the second fib level, and 1.414 and 2.414 as well. And I do have it in reverse. So yeah, keep all these levels in mind, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, try to take profits where you can, and let's hope that we can sell before the bear market comes. Yep. Gonna catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.